Clear!
And ours was weak. Ours was absolutely freaking weak.
This rocks.
Come on, igniters!
It's those stories. That's what drives me forward. Mm-hmm. It's the stories. It's like the song "Sound of Hope." Mm-hmm. If I had not been in Kokomo, sitting around the campfire with the Vietnam veterans, just hanging out,
mm-hmm.
because I love you guys.
Mm-hmm.
I really do. My three uncles served, and I don't know if you knew that or not. My uncle John, who we tried to, commentate on this video, was not ready. But he was a medivac pilot,
mm-hmm.
and he flew the gunships.
Mm-hmm.
So he says, "I'll see him when it's done." Mm-hmm. But in sitting and looking at these guys, and they go, "Yep," they start to reminisce. Mm-hmm. There ain't a sound like that. I can hear it before anybody hears it.
Yeah.
And it used to be that when I heard it, I'd be at the end of my bed, under the bed, when it was, and then other comments where it just gives me such comfort when I hear it.
And that's why this is a living thing. Because
it is
of that.
living, isn't it?
And when they hear the sound of those blades, that womp, 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 then you can tell a veteran, immediately. They hear that sound, they're immediately looking in that direction.
These guys are all down at the Vietnam helicopter pilots reunion in Indianapolis, and they come up here to see the helicopters.
How you doing, young lady?
Doing great. Doing great.
No, not me.
She's putting a documentary together, and she's with the helicopters.
Oh, good.
Yep. So my name's Amanda, by the way.
Hi, Amanda.
Amanda's going to sing tonight. Is that right?
Kelly's gonna sing. I stand behind the camera. I don't do so well on stage.
So who are you doing the documentary for?
Well, it's for you guys. It's for you guys.
Well, thanks.
I don't remember ever flying one that looked this pretty.
Yeah. Well, that was the first thing I said.
Yeah, it was. It had dings and dents and patches.
Is it just as easy to climb into, Paul, as it was before?
It seems smaller.
Yeah.
Either that or I've grown to be a little bigger. I don't think that's the case.
When we talked at the business meeting this morning, I didn't explain Kelly Trudell. Kelly's supposed to be singing the national anthem tonight, and also some other entertainment for us. But they are shooting a video that she is putting together her next patriotic song. And she would like to interview some of you. So please, if you would like to be interviewed, get with Kelly, get with her camera crew. And they, trust me, it will be an honor to be on her video.
Watch your toes.
Don't fit for you, you know. Somebody else will have one that will.
It's just maybe one of them lighter moments, and I was sitting there beside you, and something says, you know, she needs to write a song about the Hueys.
Yeah.
And that's when I thought, well, the sound of hope, because, like I said, no matter how down and out you were over there, if with not knowing what the end results were going to be, when you heard the Hueys come in, it just gave you that hope that there was somebody there to hopefully get you out of there.
When you hear the song, know that you wrote it. You guys did, because when I asked specifically, I go, what did it feel like being up there? And some of the key phrases, well, it felt like you were in the arms of God. And so actually, I'm just reporting. You guys wrote it, so it's our gift to you. So
Thank you.
absolutely.
Appreciate that.
Yeah.
I honestly knew nothing about Vietnam until I heard about this, and it was like really exciting for me to like hear it from people firsthand. And they were like, people hated me, but now it's like the camaraderie of everybody else coming together, and I found that to be like really inspiring for myself. So I don't know, I want to hear what they have to say and like why they did what they did, and like I'm curious to know what happened to them, because it's nothing that I can fathom.
My name is Kelly Trudell, and I am so honored to be here. And I met many of you today there at American Huey 369, with Johnny Walker and Kay and Philip Marshall. Oh my gosh, I've met some great friends, and I'm doing a music video with my cousin Amanda and her team, Andy and Soon. And they were just honored to be here, so I'd like to play a song called The Sound of Hope. Whoa, 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 whoa. Enemy fire raining down. Another soldier falls to the ground as he lay fighting for his life. He hears his sergeant say, I won't let you die. Brother, keep holding on, and soon we'll be safe in the arms of God. Can you hear them through the storm? An army of angels coming to take us home. Every soldier knows the sound of a hope.
Why do you come here? Like, why do you meet up with everybody?
It's not like some things that numbers always grow. This is where they're shrinking every year.
They're not making any, as they will say, they're not making any more Vietnam helicopter pilots, and there'll be a day, in not a too far distant future, that we'll all be gone. So it is a heritage. There are many people that came back during Vietnam, they may not have been treated poorly, but they are treated with indifference. And that sometimes hurt the indifference was very tough. And there's been a big switch in the country since certainly about 1991, where many other people say, thank you for your service. We say to each other, welcome home, because those words were never spoken back then.
I experienced a lot of things over there that it took years before I even let my wife know of some of them. I've got things in the back of my head that nobody knows, except for VA.
Yeah.
So, but that song was awesome. You've covered the last 50 years. In fact, Korea had helicopter medevacs. So
Yeah.
I mean, you just opened up a song that covers Korea all the way up to today. Every veteran that ever had anything to do with a helicopter is going to feel that song.
All right.
I couldn't get you to play it one more time, could I?
Yeah.
Could you? Because I'd like to have my wife here too.
Oh, sure.
Well, come in here,
The
Vic.
Sound of Hope.
Yeah.
Here's the song. Whoa, 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 whoa. Enemy fire raining down. Another soldier falls to the ground as he lay fighting for his life. He hears his sergeant say, I won't let you die. Brother, keep holding on. Soon we'll be safe in the arms of God. Can you hear them through the storm? An army of angels, they're coming to take us home. Every